Great sources of passive income. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend income is a great way of generating passive income without forking over a ton of cash. Dividend stocks are a favorite of income investors. A good dividend will help boost your total investment returns, allowing you to build wealth faster. High-yielding dividend stocks have outperformed non-dividend paying stocks historically. Dividend stocks help to mitigate your losses during bear markets as well. A good dividend stock is a company that has a long-term track record of 10 consecutive years paying dividends, generates lots of free cash flow, and has a yield of 3%. While Microsoft and Apple are both great companies and pay dividends, neither would qualify as a dividend stock because of their low yields currently. The best sectors to locate dividend stocks in are financial, consumer staple, limited partnerships, and energy. In these sectors, you'll find great dividend stocks that yield between 3% to 5%. Invest in rental properties. Buying rental properties is another way of creating passive income streams. You can purchase auction properties, foreclosed properties, or tax sales, and rent them out to generate income. Rental properties allow investors to reap the rewards of property appreciation as well. Purchasing real estate is capital intensive to start, but can generate lots of free cash flow in rent payments for years. Real estate investing for regular investors. Fundrise allows anyone to start investing in real estate offerings with just $500. You can participate in commercial office building investment, fund the construction of an apartment complex, or buy a multifamily dwelling unit. Fundrise is for long-term investors. As units are rented out, you receive your income payments. Patch of Land is another crowdfunding real estate investing site, but the minimum investment is $5,000. There are some offerings, however, that may require less than the $5,000 minimum. Patch of Land is a peer-to-peer lending platform for ordinary investors to invest in both residential and commercial properties. Arrived Homes lets investors buy shares in single-family homes and vacation rental properties for as little as $100. Investors receive a passive income stream from home renters every 3 months. The investments on Arrived Homes are long-term, running for 5 years or more. Real estate investing for accredited investors. Accredited investors with deep pockets have access to even more real estate investment portals. Sites like 𝐿2 allow accredited investors to participate in commercial real estate offerings for as little as $25,000. 𝐿2 is a social platform in which you can personally connect with other accredited investors as well. Accredited investors have an income of $200,000 or more per year, or a net worth of $1 million. ArborCrowd allows accredited investors the opportunity to invest in the types of deals that are usually only available to institutional investors. ArborCrowd screens over 500 deals a year, but only funds 7. The company is very selective about the deals provided to investors. The minimum investment for accredited investors is $25,000. Real estate investment trusts. Another way to invest in real estate is by purchasing real estate investment trusts. In an REIT, investors pool their money together to invest in income-producing real estate properties. REITs offer an easy way to invest in commercial property. The advantage of investing in REITs is that they have to pay out 90% of their taxable income in the form of a dividend to investors. This provision is why REITs are such cash cows. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. You can become an investor who finances the dreams of others by becoming a lender on a peer-to-peer site like Prosper. You can divide investments up among low risk, a few moderate, and one high-risk investment. You can withdraw your profits or reinvest them in new loans. For investors who live in states where Prosper is legal, it can help to generate some serious income. Lending Club is also available for peer-to-peer investing and has a $1,000 deposit minimum for investors. Investors can invest in pieces of loan requests by contributing as little as $25. You can build a pool of diversified loans, spreading out the risks that you take. You'll receive principal and interest payments on a monthly basis. You can either reinvest the funds or withdraw them. Loans have 36 or 60-month terms at origination. Withdrawing the funds on a monthly basis will create a nice passive income stream. Passive income streams play an important role in a diversified investment portfolio.